Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to create a topic on Pinterest. So first you need to go to pinterest.com and then log in to your Pinterest account. And then here what you're going to do is you have to simply look for the plus icon. You can click your profile picture or you can tap on the plus and then select board right here. So tap on your profile, look for the plus icon or the board. Here you can start creating your board or create a topic right here. You can name your board after you've chosen a topic, for example, healthy, launch ideas, minimalist home decor, digital nomad lifestyle. Everything is up to you. You can just basically add that name right here. And then once you have created the board, then you can now add pins to your topic board. You can start adding relevant pins to this board. You can add your own pins, replicate others, or upload original images and videos. So here I'm going to add a topic. I can add more information about this, such as description. If you're an affiliate marketer, then you can add your affiliate link right here. So basically, that's it. Once you've added the topic, once you've added the board, you can now start adding pins. You can upload the image from your computer and then add the name of your pin right here, add the description. The images, of course, should be related to the topic that you have created or the board that you have created. Add description, add your link right here if you have. And then once done, then you can now go back and then you will see your board right here or the topic board. If you tap this one right here, then you can see all of the pictures that you have pinned. It could be your original or save pins. So basically that's it. You can now create idea pin, add images, videos, or text around your topic. In the add topic section, Pinterest may allow you to tag related existing topics. So that's how easy it is to create a topic on Pinterest. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.